Ray Wu from Moldex3D EMEA team, and today I'm going to talk about how do we use advanced fiber technologies in injection composite simulation. Okay, so here is the outline for today. So first, we will try to introduce why fiber orientation is so important in the composite simulation. And after that, we will go through the fiber orientation calculation theory in Moldex3D right now. And then we will use a real case study to look into it. And after that, we will show you the new functions, which is just released last year, which is enhanced fiber, and it contains the fiber coupling and flat fiber functions. We will go deeper into these topics, and then after that is the conclusion. So first, we would like to introduce about the fiber reinforced material. So right now, the most frequently used fiber reinforced material is with short fiber or long fiber, and usually is using the injection molding to do the injection. And the strength of using fiber reinforced material is that with the fiber, it can increase the strength of the part. So you can see that here we have three small parts. They are with same geometry, and with the test, we just do some impact in the middle of the part. And in order to test the difference, we put the different case with different fibers. And then you can see that these two are with fibers. The one which is on the middle and the one which is on the right is with the fiber. And this one is like only with some fillers, but there is no fibers. So the strength of it, we all do a same test, which is a break test. In the middle, we just use a stick, try to punch it. And then you can see that the case without the fiber, the part is more weaker, and the part which is with the fiber have a stronger mechanical strength. And because of the benefit of the plastic is one thing is really light, and with the fiber it can also increase the strength of the part to a very high level. Therefore, there's a lot of automobile industry are using the fiber nowadays in order to decrease the weight at the same time and also make sure the mechanical strength is strong enough.